I'm Seth Grossman for libertyandprosperity.com. During the past 8 years, Governor Murphy's Democrats shut down 6 vital power plants. One was by the big Parkway Bridge at Beesley's Point. We're paying a high price for that. Atlantic City Electric raised its rates 20% last year. It'll raise them another 17% this summer. Because we destroyed those power plants, New Jersey now buys a lot of very expensive electricity from out of state. There's only one way to fix this. We need to rebuild the power plants that Murphy's Democrats destroyed. We should start at Beesley's Point. That land is empty and ready to build. It would take years to find land and get approvals anywhere else. We can't afford to put shops and condos there. Tell that to the folks in Upper Township. Meet us for breakfast any Saturday in Summers Point. Get the details at libertyandprosperity.com. That's libertyandprosperity.com. Thanks.